Hey there, QuickBooks users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to change your password in QuickBooks for 2025. In an era of increasing cyber threats, keeping your account secure is crucial, and updating your password is a simple yet effective step. This guide is straightforward, designed for beginners, and we'll get you through it in no time. So, grab your device, log in, and let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your current credentials. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile icon or the gear icon for settings, depending on the 2025 interface, which has been updated for better user experience. Next, look for the Account and Settings or Security tab. It's usually under the main settings menu. Click on that, and you'll see an option for Password or Change Password. QuickBooks makes this intuitive, so it should be easy to spot. Now, here's where the action happens. Enter your current password for verification. Then, type in your new password. Remember, for maximum security, make it at least 12 characters long, include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. QuickBooks might even prompt you with strength indicators to help. After that, re-enter the new password in the confirmation field to avoid any typos. Hit Save or Update, and you're almost done. QuickBooks will process the change quickly. To ensure everything's set, log out and log back in with your new password. If it works, great job, you've secured your account. One quick tip. If you ever forget your password, QuickBooks has a robust recovery process, but it's always better to update regularly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you in the next video.